So, good, good day everyone. My name is Ronmar Clamares. I'm from Base IT 2D. For today's video, I am going to explain how our websites work. So, first we have the title, Wonderful Experiences or Experience. So first, on this websites helps your travel experiences. We have different section in our websites. First, we have the travel section. Display various places that will help you decide on where your first travel destination would be. So as you can see, we have different places. And next, the explore section. So on explore section also help you identify your tourist spots destination in every places you want to visit. So here are the example photos. The explore section. So on explore section also help you identify your tourist spots destination in every places you want to visit. So here are the example photos. So we have the service sections and book now section. So that's all in our websites. So let's proceed on sige. So let's continue on our database or on our my or on our SQL.
Yes.
Or how to connect the database. You need to install the SAMP, and then in the SAMP control, you need to start the Apache and MySQL. So start, and then start. So after we need to go the box section to insert some datas to mo na to.
To insert some data.
So insert some data.
Example.
So example, you need to insert your user info, so registration form. So your name, example, my name, Ronmar. My name is Ronmar, and then your example, my address is Bagay. And then my age is I'm 19 years old, by the way. And then my phone number, then then you need to tap the next button. Then so on the tourist part spot info, you need to example, Eiffel Tower, France, and then just travel. Click the next button, and then booking info, you need to so let's proceed to booking info. So in booking info, you need to input your check-in date and then check-out date. So example, I've checked in and May 10, 24, and then end up in 18 May 10, 2024. And payment date, you pay in May 10, 2024. And example, the amount it costs is 5,000, and then you choose your payment method. Example, I'm cash. Example, cash. Example, cash. Then you need to next, you click the submit button, then booking successfully. So then let's search the look. So here are database. So to find the data we inputted, you need to click the user, user, and then as you can see, there are so many data, but we need to find the data we input So as you can see here, the data we input last few minutes ago. So the Rodmar Bagay. So tourist spots, you need to click the so kasi so as you can see, the kanang nakabutang sa tong example kanina kay Eiffel Tower, France, just travel. Eiffel kanang Eiffel. So as you can see, the tourist spots. So we input the Eiffel Tower, France, just travel, and then the payments method. It's also payment payment method. As you can see, 5,000 cash, and then the bookings. Bookings. Diba? When you remember, we check in and May 18, 2024, and then check out in May 18, 2024. So that's all. Thank you very much.